What's good, guys? Today we're gonna be comparing Kevin. Oh, damn, chill out. We're gonna be comparing Kevin to some food items. There's a lime. There's a cutie. Kevin, you scared of the orange? Are you jealous? Kevin's jealous. You're jealous, Kevin. Oh, Kevin, you all right? Kevin, come back. I didn't mean it. Kevin.
Meow meow.
Pride is not the word I'm looking for.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
Niye bağırıyordu orada? Kaç kişiydiler?
Hey, spicy.
Can I touch it?
The choice is yours.
Are you ugly on purpose?
To me, can't you see?
Shazam, open up.
She hates it.
What do you have in your backpack?
My cat.
Stop.
My cat!
Estoy loco. La, 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 la. ما عليها. Pride is not the word I'm looking for.
You wanna fight me? Fine. Bam, 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 bam.
Ready?